The soap that I've actually loved to use on my face personally is a lightening soap, and I've been doing this for so long, for so many years, and I discovered that I've been using them wrongly. And for that reason, I have come to share with you guys in this video the proper way and the best way to actually use your lightening soaps and get a massive beautiful result with it. These soaps can actually lighten up your skin within a week of using it. This Nano Extra White soap here, I remember before I started using it, I was using Ashanti soap. If you know that soap, is a very good brightening soap. And the moment I started using this Nano Extra White, within a week, my face was already lighter. So is this Kojic sand soap. I would even say this kojic sand soap is one of the soap I know how to use well, and I actually saw visible brightness on my skin. Then this turmeric soap, this one is the number one. When you use this soap, within 3 days your skin is already lighter. So what I'm trying to say is that this soap can literally lighten up your skin. Whether you are a dark skin, you are already a fair skin, this soap will give you up to 2 or 3 shades lighter. Without the help of any serum, any toner, any face cream, these soaps will lighten your face naturally. And I have been using them on my face wrongly. And the first wrong way I have been using this soap is using it on my face both morning and night. Outside this kojic sand, I told you guys I already know how to use this kojic sand well. So let me not just make this too personal. If you know you are using any of this soap on your face both morning and night as what you used to, pre-cleanse your face, it's time to stop it. I know the result is massive. I have never really gotten any, let me not say I have not really gotten any super bad results from using these soaps every single day on my face morning and night, but there is actually a healthier way to use a product. Just because a product is not giving you any bad results does not mean it's healthy for your skin, because every day we are growing older, we want to prepare our skin for that old age. So that is what this video is all about. Not like when you use this soap every single day morning and night, anything will happen to you. I mean some people, because some people can actually see bad results from using this soap morning and night. But if you are like me that use this soap both morning and night and did not see any bad results with it, now you should stop it. I know you are not seeing any bad effects. I was not also seeing any bad effect. My face was even glowing, looking lighter, no hyperpigmentation, no sunburn. I was enjoying it, but that is not the healthy way to use it. For your body, you can actually use this soap more like every single day and not get any bad results with it. But for your face, you need to actually use a proper hydrating face wash with this soap for your face. Now, how I use this soap, I use them at night, only at night. Any of these soaps here. If you also have more lightening soaps, because I have used other various lightening soaps, these are just the one I have here to show you guys. Use them only at night. Then in the morning, if you are thinking, oh, what should I use? You can use a face wash like this as your face cleanser. You use this one to clean your face. If you cannot afford this type of face wash, they are quite expensive, go and get the Dove Pink. Use this one as your face wash in the morning. Then at night, you can use those lightening soaps. Honestly, since I started doing it that way, let me tell you guys what I noticed. My face still looks clearer and lighter, because the fear is, oh, I don't want my face to look darker. I don't want to use anything that will make my face dark. If I'm being honest, by using this product like this, my face did not get darker at all. Instead, I noticed that the texture of my face look more plump, because when you use too much of these lightening soaps on your face every single day, it's as if it's drying out your face. There is no nourishment, no nutrients. You can't see that on your skin. Something that is well nourished, there is this plumpness you see in it. So my face doesn't actually feel that way. So since I started doing this regular mild face wash in the morning and this lightening soaps at night, honestly, the result is better. I have stick to it, and that is what I'm doing. If you are so scared of something darkening your skin, I'm more scared than you, because I don't like when my skin looks darker than normal. So this routine, morning and night, is perfect in using your lightening soaps on your face. So the second way I have used my lightening soaps to transform my face is by using a hydrating toner with it. This is like the miracle in using a lightening soaps. When you use these soaps on your face and decide to not apply a face cream, a face toner, a face serum, and go to bed like that, before you go to bed, you'll start to notice your face feels tight. And this is something so many people complain about even after applying other products on their skin. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. If you use any of these lightening soaps before going to bed and you do not apply anything else, like you do not apply anything else to your face, you just wash your face and go to bed, you're going to be feeling your face is dry. Now, some people even apply like a face cream, a toner, a serum after using these soaps, and they still feel that dryness. And you wonder why. That is because the products you use with these soaps are not hydrating enough. Ordinarily, these soaps can make your face feel dry and tight. They are not so moisturizing. Some of them are even exfoliating. So you need super hydrating products with it. And let me just tell you guys, if you can lay your hand on a hydrating toner, it is enough. You don't necessarily have to use all hydrating products with it. Hydrating. If you can, it's okay. It's very nice. But if you just want one thing in your routine to pair with this soap, and you can do whatever you want with your other skincare products on your face, then it's a toner you need, a hydrating toner. Just one good hydrating toner. You can use it with this soap and your face will feel so soft, so hydrated. Even if your face cream is not as moisturizing, just use a hydrating toner with any of these soaps and you will see how glowy, how soft. Before you go to bed, you will now notice that your face is not dry. You can just move your mouth like this and it doesn't feel tight. It's so soft, so hydrated. That's how you know that your skin is hydrated actually. So for me personally, that's how I do it. So when I move my mouth like that and my skin does not feel tight, does not feel like I'm stretching it, then my skin is super hydrated and you can see glow and shine on your skin. Because back then I would use anything I like. If it's my face cream, my face toner, I don't even know if my face toner was hydrating enough. My serum, I just use them. But now I'm very conscious of those things, and you should too, because hydrating toner will just make a great difference on your skin. But yes, you can use a hydrating serum as well, but toner just gives an excellent result. Now, another way I have used this lightening soaps without having any issues with it, like burning, people complaining of breakouts from using these soaps. If I actually hear people complain that they use any of these soaps and they break out, I put my hand like this and start wondering, how did you use it? Because if I have pimples on my face right now, within 3 days of using this Nano Extra White soap, all the pimples are gone. I remember I used this soap to clear my body acne. I was having back and front acne. I used this single soap, no other treatment, to clear them off. This soap is 100% effective if you have acne on your skin. So is the rest. And now you can't tell me this same soap is giving you pimples on your face. Do not ever apply this soap on your face directly like this, because these soaps, when you do it like that, it's like direct contact. You understand? Direct contact, and your face cannot bear it. The pH of your face will already be disturbed and your skin barrier can be damaged. The sensitivity of this soap on the face, I will tell you, is out of the moon. So you do not want to apply it directly on your face like this. What you simply do, always apply it to your palm first. Let the direct contact be with your palm first, then before you use your palm to apply it on your face. With this, you will not get your skin barrier being damaged. You will not get this overly dry face after using it, and you will also be protecting your skin pH. Although these soaps will not balance your pH, but that is why a good hydrating toner is there, because toners can actually help balance the pH of your skin. That is why it comes immediately after cleansing, so that every other product you apply on your skin, they are sitting on a well-balanced skin. So do not apply this soap directly on your face. Then another way to use these lightening soaps to get a good result, because these soaps are so effective, some of you just leave it on your face for 30 seconds, 1 minute for it to work the magic out. Honestly, you don't need to stress yourself. You don't need to destroy your skin that way. I used to also do this back then. I'll leave soaps on my face longer so that I will see the best result, but that will not give you the best result. Instead, let me tell you what to do. If you want the soap or the lather of the soap to stay on your face for long, take that time as the time you're using to massage the soap on your face. What I simply mean is that when you have lathered any of this, your lightening soaps on your palm, take time to apply it on your face. Take like 60 seconds if possible. especially when you know your face can take it as well. The moment you are done applying it on your face, you rinse it off. Not you apply it on your face within 5 seconds and then you leave it on your face without touching your face again for like 60 seconds or 2 minutes. You understand? Take the time, take that 60 seconds you want the soap to last on your face. Use it to massage it on your face. Then you rinse it off the moment you are done. When you actually do this, you will not get irritation from using these soaps, because also some people complain these soaps can make their face red. Yes, it can make your face red when you are doing it this way, but when you just simply apply it on your face, then the time your face can take to handle it, you are done with it, you quickly rinse it off, then this soap will not irritate your skin, because when it irritates your face, it's going to show. Your face will look rough, your face will look burnt, and your face will then look darker. Because when these soaps burn your face a little, you might not know, but when you wake up in the morning, your face will either look red or your face will look dark. You should make sure you're not taking too long to apply these soaps on your face and also rinsing it off. Now, the last way to actually get the perfect result with using this lightening soaps on your face is to use sunscreen. I know you have heard it before. We know I already have a sunscreen. But don't forget you are using this soap at night. Some people might mistake and be like, oh, because I use it at night and I use a very hydrating face wash in the morning, there is no need for me to apply my sunscreen. That effect of that soap at night is still on your face in the morning. And if you do not apply sunscreen after your skincare routine, your face will still go dark. So these soaps cannot make you dark. If there's anyone that have used any of these lightening soaps and their face look dark, there's a high chance you are making some of these mistakes in this video that I talked about, and you should quickly correct it so that you can get the best of the best results with these soaps. So loves, this is actually the way to use your lightening soaps on your face to get the best results. And I hope this video was helpful, and that brings us to the end. And please subscribe to see you in my next video.